Alright guys, back at 2308 10th Street, and the house looks good for the most part, but there are a couple things still, small things that just need to get touched up here. To start with, need to get a replacement for that vent or that pipe cover there for the heating system. Let me get my flash on here. Oh, I can't do that. In this first bedroom here to the right, you can barely see that, but we got a hole in the wall there. Let's get that patched up, painted over. We're also missing hanger rods. Put a hanger rod in there. Be good to go. Walking out here. Open switch panel there, or outlet panel. Let's get that covered up. Again, in the closet, let's put a hanger rod in there. Kitchen. I can see you guys grouted the floor. Nah, I guess that's okay. I don't know what this mess is here. See if you can run a mop over that a few times, clean that up. It looks like shit. This switch needs to be changed to a GFI. Let's get one of those put in. And the panel, let's just paint that white. See if we can clean that up a little bit. Another closet. Needs a shelf, hand rod. Back bathroom needs to be cleaned up. Let's get a cover for this switch box here. Also, a piece of replacement tile for the back of the faucet there. Again, it's just little stuff, but just stuff that needs to get finished so we can show this house and move it. Coming downstairs, it's going to be kind of dark. Moving to the left. Looks good down here. The floor looks painted, looks good. Not really sure what we're doing with this room yet. Let's talk to Bill, see what he wants to do. But it doesn't look like it'd be too hard to complete. Got GFI on that wall, that's good. GFI there, good. That light fixture looks like shit, but it's something we can probably get by on. See, we got doors here to cover this up, make it a closet, but it's not installed yet. Let's get these doors put up. Downstairs bathroom, I don't know if we're going to complete the shower or not, but well, it needs a lot of work, if it does. Oh, this wall right here. I'm sure we got a scrap piece of drywall somewhere we can just throw up there. Cover that up, paint over it, all set. It's a half-hour job at that. And to the second floor. Let's get this towel rod put back in. I know you can't see it on the video, but it's sitting right here in the sink. Just gotta throw it into the holder here on the wall. And that'll be all set. Upstairs looks pretty good. We do need a closet rod in here, along with a shelf in the closet you guys built. Back bedroom here looks good. That ended up coming out nice. No, that was broken before. Another bedroom. Looks good. That's all set. Alright, heading downstairs might be the most important part. So we're gonna head outside here. And it's these stairs. They're shitty. They don't feel right. I'm not comfortable walking on them. As you can tell just by looking at it, it's crooked. Let's tear it down and just build a new one up. Shouldn't take that long. You guys have any questions, give Bill a call.